In this session, I will explain how to create the most basic HTML based web page using Notepad and a browser of your choice, which can be Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Mozilla Firefox. So here I've opened a Notepad. We will be using this Notepad application as our HTML editor. First thing which we do is we inform the Notepad that the contents of this document are HTML. Second thing, we put a tag called HTML and we put a closing tag called HTML with a /. All our HTML code will be within these two tags. Within the HTML tags, we can add a body tag, which will basically represent the body of our HTML document. Apart from this, we can also have a head tag, which is present before the body tag. Notice that when we open a tag, we also close it by the same name, except that the name is superseded with a /. Within the head tag, we can have a tag called title. This title will be the name of our web page. Now within the body tag, we can have something like a paragraph tag with a blanket statement like this is paragraph. Now we can ensure that you take a note of the path where you are saving. Now you have to save it as all files because we will not be saving it as a .txt but rather as a .html file. So I'll be giving it some name called hello world. At the same time, I will also be copying the path of this file. Now on the right hand side, I have my browser open. I'll be pasting the path of this file, and also I will be typing the name of this file and clicking on enter. Once I do that, you can notice that the title which I gave here has been named as a web page title, and also the contents of the body have been marked up here on the HTML. Hope you found this session useful.